Can you guess the name of these animals? So obviously as an adult we already know these animals are, right? Like this is a dog, this is a cat, and this is a rabbit. Fine. Now just consider yourself as you are a 1.5-year-old baby, and this is the first thing you are seeing. This is the first time you are seeing these animals, and will you able to tell the name as a baby? If you are a 1.5-year-old baby, will you able to tell the name of these animals? I guess no, right? Because so many things are new to you. Fine. So what we will do, so what the baby will do, there will be someone with the baby who will tell this is a dog, this is a cat, and this is a rabbit, right? Like a teacher, like they will be telling the baby. Fine. So baby, like dog, it have a long face, two eyes, two ears, a furry body, right? One long tail. These are the features of the dog. So machine, what it does, the machine also captures these features. Okay, like dog have a long ear, the features. Like cat have two ears, two round eyes, small nose, one mouth. Okay, four legs. Rabbit have long ears, right? These are things the machine capture. You can come to the baby. Baby also what it does, it recognize things based on the feature, right? Like rabbit is a long ear. Any animal which with a long ear, it goes with the rabbit, right? So dog have four legs, small tail. These are things baby recognize and keep it in its memory, right? If next time, if the next time the dog passes by, the baby can able to tell, yeah, this is a dog, right? I have seen it before. The same thing happens with the machine. So if I show the picture to the machine will recognize the features, right? Machine will understand the feature, machine will capture these features. So what are the features here? Like features how the dogs look like dog have big ears, right? Long tail, furry body. So these are the features of the dog. What are the features of the cat? It have two small ears, round face, right? It have small mouth, small nose, two eyes, four paws, and soft body, right? Definitely soft body, it cannot be recognized by the machine, but it can able to have small posture body, right? So these are the features of the cat. And coming to the rabbit, it have long ear, red eyes, white body, right? The same image if I show it to the machine will capture these features, right? Like how the posture of the body looks like. These are the features the machine will capture. And next time if I show the same picture or the different kind of pictures, the machine will compare those pictures with the set of picture which is fed in the machine already, right? So with the previous data what we have fed in the machine, like these features, the machine will compare those pictures with the set of data, and it will predict this is a dog, or this is a cat, or this is a rabbit. Get it? So for more clearly to understand this one, I will explain the understanding machine learning. So the machine learning here, we can see the flow chart of the machine learning here. So machine, what we are doing, training data. So training with data we are training with. What are the data actually? The features what we are feeding in the machine. Like I have shown the picture of dog, right? So dog, the features of the dog like eyes, long hair, and the furry body. These are the features the machine capture, and those are going to be the training data. Fine. Like for different pictures of dog we will feed in the machine, different breeds of the dogs we will feed in the machine. So machine, if I show the model, this model is then the model will be prepared. The machine learning algorithm that fed into the machine learning algorithm, that is captured by the machine. Okay, those all features. So those are called classified image, right? We are telling the machine that this is a dog, right? If I show the picture of dog and if I say cat, the machine will be remember it as a cat. This is a cat, this is not a dog. Okay, so we have to, while putting the labels, we have to be very much sure that the name of the animals or any object, the name we have to be very much sure of. Okay, fine. Once we feeded the different pictures of the dog, okay, just imagine this one. If I feed different kind of pictures of a dog in the machine, okay, different features of the dog, so machine is trained. Fine. So after that, if the if you show any pictures of the dog, like new data, this is the new data what we see, right? So if you show any picture to the of dog, like different breeds of the dog, so machine now able to classify. How the machine do classification based on the training data what we have feeded in the machine. Okay, the pictures of dogs, different pictures of the dog, those are actually be a features of the machine. Fine. So those features is already there in the machine. Fine. Once we enter the new picture, if I show the machine a picture of a dog now, so machine can easily able to tell, right? It can able to classify easily that this is a picture of a dog. Fine. So it can able to predict easily. Fine. Getting? So not only for the dog, if I show different object, like if I show the machine this is a pen, right? If I show the pen, different kinds of different categories of pens can be given as a features, and the pictures will be shown to the machine. Machine will capture the picture of pens, different kinds of pens. If I show again after the training this one, after the machine get trained with the different pictures of pens, so if I put the new, if I show the machine a new picture of pen, like any picture of pen, the machine can able to tell yes this is a pen, because it can able to classify now based on the training data what we have fed, right? So this is how the machine learning work. So here the definition for the machine learning is an application of machine intelligence, artificial intelligence, that provides system the ability to automatically learn and improve from the experience. So how it's experiencing based on the training data. So whatever we feed in that form of training data as a form of features, that is going to be a training data. Okay? So coming to the next slide, here are types of machine learning. There are three types of machine learning actually. One is supervised learning, second one is a unsupervised learning, third one is the reinforcement learning. We are going to see all these types of learning now. Fine. So let's go to the next slides. So what is supervised learning? Supervised learning is a method in which we teach the machine using label data. So what are the label data? See, just imagine I'm showing the picture of apples to the machine, and I'm telling the machine that these are the apples. Okay, so machine will able to capture and memorize it easily that these are the pictures of apples, and how the apples look like. It have red body. These are the features of the apple. It have curvy figure shape like this. Fine. So these are the pictures of apple the machine can able to recognize, and we are labeling it. Labeling means the giving the name to the object, that is called the labeling. Fine. So in the supervised learning, the labeling is done by the user. Who are the user? We are the user, because we are telling the machine this is the picture of apple. Correct? So in supervised learning, we always label the objects, so the machine can able to understand. Instead of apple, if I say this is orange, so machine will able to memorize it as it is an orange, not an apple. Okay, fine. So make sure you are correct with the name of the objects while giving the name to the machine. Fine. So this is called label data. Label means what? Naming them, naming the object. That is called label, which is done by the user. Ready? That is called the supervised learning. Get next. Go to the next slide. Now, unsupervised learning. What is unsupervised learning? Just imagine if you're giving a different kinds of fruits. If you're showing different kinds of fruits to the machine, so machine what it will do, like, and what are the pictures I'm showing? Apples, banana, and other apples, like. So these pictures, if I show to the machine, I'm not labeling here. Okay, so we can see the definition also. In unsupervised learning, machine is trained on unlabeled data without any guidance. We are not guiding the machine here. We are not labeling the data. So how the machine will understand? The machine will understand by separating all types of fruit which are look different, which have different view. Fine. Like apple, we can see that all apples looks alike. So the machine what will do? It will do clustering. It will separate out the different kind of things, different pictures, like apples. Different apples will be kept in the different places. Like these apples, the apples which look similar, it will keep in the same group. bananas. This bananas and this bananas both look similar. That's why machine has kept in the same group. Getting? So this is called a clustering. If I show the different kinds of image to the machine without labeling it, the machine will do? Machine will separate it out and keep it in a group with the similar kind of objects. Fine. So here the machine what the machine did, see, different kinds of animals, different kinds of fruits, it kept in a different group, right? These apples all look similar, that's why the same group is been formed by the machine. This fruits has been kept in the same group, then this bananas kept in the different group, right? So all have the same view of fruits will be kept in the same group. Okay? So this is called a clustering. So machine learns here based on clustering by unlabeled data. We are not labeling, we are not telling the name to the machine like these are apples, bananas. Right? Machine is itself separating out all the fruits which look similar. That those are called unsupervised learning. Okay? Reinforcement learning. What is reinforcement learning? Here, just imagine if I show this picture to the machine, like to the computer. This is the machine. Fine. If I show this picture to the machine, we are not training the machine here. Fine. Machine here learns with the feedback given. Fine. If I show this picture of this is a dog, right? We know, but machine don't know this is dog or cat. Fine. We are not even trained the machine now. Fine. So this picture, if I show to the picture of dog to the machine can tell anything, right? It's dog, it's a aeroplane, it's a helicopter, it's a chopper, anything like that. So machine can tell anything, but no, what we have to do, we have to correct the machine that this is not a picture of aeroplane, it's not a cat, it's a dog, right? So what the machine is doing, machine is learning from the feedback given by the user. Get it? So next time if I show the same picture of dog, this is also dog, right? Different breeds are different, but this is also dog, right? Yeah, if I show the picture of this dog, the machine will able to tell now because we have given the feedback. This is not a dog, this is not a cat, this is a dog, right? So machine is learning here based on feedback given by the user. Fine. That is called the reinforcement learning. Let's go to the next slide. In reinforcement learning, the machines learn from the feedback given. So these are the three types of machine learning what we have seen. Okay, in the coming videos we will be seeing different kinds of models with the image and text models. Those kind of things can be executed using the various platform, and we will be doing the next videos.